Hi everyone, my name's Amelia Schrader, and I want to thank you for taking a moment today with me to learn a little bit more about our Spring into Creativity event and why it's so important to help support us during this time. Young Audiences of Western New York is able to provide over 85% of our programming free to the community because of supporters like you attending our events, participating in our events, and giving to our year-end appeal. We're really excited to offer arts integrated programming that can help not just arts, but also those core curriculum subjects like math and science, and really inspire kids. Through your support, those programs are able to be free to the majority of the community, in which we are reaching a lot of underserved groups, Title I schools, that wouldn't necessarily be able to get this programming without that support. This kit is going to give you an opportunity to be able to get creative with your family, have fun with your family, but also still support others in the community that are really in need of this high quality arts integrated programming. I hope you take a moment to visit our website, www.yawny.org, and you can learn more about our Spring into Creativity event and how you can support our organization in providing this incredible programming to youth in our community.